Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can apply shading to words or paragraph in Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. Let me just quickly open my Microsoft Word document. In your case, you just have to do the same. You just have to open as to where you have saved it. Okay. Now let's try with this title first. So in order to apply shading on it, we just have to select it by clicking this arrow up to the from the first letter to the last letter. Okay, then click on the home tab, and here you'll find this option, shading. Change the color behind the selected text, paragraph, or table cell. Click on this drop down, and we just have to choose a color from here. Okay, let's go with this one, and that's it. Now let's go with the first paragraph. Just have to select it, then go back to home tab, click on this shading, and then click on this drop down arrow and choose your color from here. Okay, and if you want to select just a word, you can simply do that. Just simply select the word by dragging the cursor and then go back to home tab, click on this drop down, and then simply choose your color. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily apply shading to words or paragraph to Microsoft Word. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.